What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to change mouse settings on Windows 11. So the first thing that we need to do to open mouse settings is to go to the search bar. And here what we want to search is mouse settings. Like so, as you can see is right here, so let's click on it. Then what you want to do here, as you can see you have a lot of settings already. You can change from scrolling to other settings. Also, if you want to change additional settings, all you have to do is to scroll down till you see related settings, and here you have additional mouse settings. So let's click on them, and as you can see now we can change all the settings for our mouse from here. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.